When it comes to enhancing your home's value, every upgrade counts. In Glendale, where stunning architectural diversity meets the beauty of the California climate, awning windows are becoming a top choice for homeowners. These versatile windows not only elevate your home's aesthetics but also improve functionality, energy efficiency, and resale appeal. Here's a closer look at how awning windows can add significant value to Glendale homes. Enhanced curb appeal. Awning windows are designed to complement various architectural styles, from mid-century modern to traditional craftsman homes, styles commonly found in Glendale. Their sleek, horizontal design provides a contemporary touch that enhances your home's exterior while blending seamlessly with existing features. Available in a variety of materials, colors, and finishes, awning windows can be customized to suit your home's aesthetic. Adding this stylish upgrade instantly improves curb appeal, creating a polished look that stands out in Glendale's competitive real estate market. Improved natural ventilation. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows is their ability to provide excellent ventilation. Hinged at the top and opening outward, these windows allow fresh air to flow into your home even during light rain, thanks to their unique design that acts as a natural shield. Glendale's pleasant weather makes natural ventilation a desirable feature for homeowners. By improving airflow, awning windows help maintain a fresh, comfortable indoor environment without relying heavily on air conditioning. This not only enhances daily living but also contributes to energy savings, an attractive selling point for potential buyers. Increased energy efficiency. Glendale homeowners are increasingly prioritizing energy efficiency to reduce utility bills and minimize environmental impact. Awning windows are an excellent choice for energy-conscious upgrades. Modern versions come equipped with advanced features like low-E glass coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, double or triple glazing to reduce thermal transfer, insulated frames that prevent air leaks. These features keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, reducing reliance on HVAC systems. For Glendale homes, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, this efficiency translates to long-term cost savings and increased property value. Enhanced security. Home security is a critical concern for Glendale residents, and awning windows are designed with safety in mind. Their top hinged design allows them to open just enough for ventilation while remaining difficult for intruders to access. Many models include secure locking systems and durable materials that add an extra layer of protection. For families or individuals looking to invest in their homes, the combination of style and security offered by awning windows makes them an appealing upgrade. Optimal use of space. Awning windows are ideal for areas where space might be limited, such as bathrooms, kitchens, or basements. Their outward opening mechanism doesn't interfere with interior design or furniture placement, making them a practical choice for tight spaces. In Glendale's competitive housing market, maximizing usable space is a significant selling point. Homes equipped with thoughtful design features like awning windows are more likely to attract attention from potential buyers, especially those seeking functionality without compromising style. Increased property resale value. For Glendale homeowners considering selling in the future, the addition of awning windows can increase your home's resale value. Prospective buyers often prioritize homes with modern, energy-efficient features, and awning windows tick all the boxes. They offer aesthetic appeal, practical functionality, and reduced utility costs, all key factors in a buyer's decision-making process. By investing in high-quality awning windows, you're not just upgrading your home, you're making it more marketable and appealing to a wider audience. Low maintenance and durability. The awning windows are built to last. Their durable frames and high-quality materials resist wear and tear, even in Glendale's varied climate. Additionally, their simple design makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze, ensuring they remain attractive and functional for years to come. Low-maintenance features are particularly valuable for homeowners and buyers who want long-lasting solutions without frequent upkeep, further enhancing your home's overall appeal. Conclusion. Awning windows offer a blend of style, efficiency, and practicality that adds significant value to Glendale homes. From improving curb appeal and ventilation to boosting energy savings and security, these windows are a smart investment for any homeowner. Whether you're planning to stay in your Glendale home for years or looking to increase its resale value, awning windows are a versatile upgrade that delivers lasting benefits. Work with a trusted local contractor to explore design options and enjoy the transformative impact of this simple yet impactful enhancement. For more information or to get started, reach out to a professional awning window installer in Glendale today.